Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw tips and tricks. Not too much about Corel Draw, but about a website called DA Fonts. And I've never really gone into it this deep. There's totally free fonts or public domain fonts, which means you can use them without permission. But if we go to DA Fonts, I never have seen this before. So I'm on, well, let's just pick one. Let's pick various. Well, there's only 5 pages of those. Okay, there's 44 pages of this. But if you look right down here for free for personal use, free for personal use, free for personal use. And that's saying you could use that font, but you shouldn't sell it. So if you have like an account on Etsy that you sell plaques and you're using that font, you shouldn't do it. Well, I've never looked into this before, but if you go right here and go 100% free fonts and then type out your wordage, now it's marked it down to 9 pages. So you can search through here and all these are 100% free. So you're free to use those without ever thinking about it. I mean, there's a pretty cool one right there. But what I do like about it, you can type in your name or your, well, I did it backwards. You know, like a girl's name, and then see what it looks like in those fonts. But since we've checked this with public domain and 100% free, all the fonts you're looking at, so you don't have to worry about, oh, is that one, can I use that one? So give DA Fonts a try if you've never looked at it. I mean, there is thousands of fonts. And once you've set those parameters, everything you go to is going to be that parameter. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.